In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp to track sponsor deals and brand partnerships. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system to manage outreach, negotiations, deliverables, and payments in one place. Start by opening ClickUp on your browser or desktop app and log in. If you're using the desktop app, make sure it's up to date so everything looks the same on your screen. Once you're in, we'll build a dedicated space to keep sponsor work separate from your other projects. Create a new space and name it Sponsor Deals. As you set it up, enable lists so you can track partnerships in a structured way. Keeping the space focused helps you stay organized, report on progress quickly, and limit distractions from unrelated tasks. Inside that space, add a folder and call it Brand Partnerships. Think of the folder as a container for all your deal tracking lists. This makes it easy to expand later without clutter, especially if you end up managing multiple types of partnerships or seasonal campaigns. Now add a list named Active Deals. This will be your daily home base for sponsor work. You can filter, sort, and search here to see what's coming up and what needs attention. If you don't have ClickUp yet, there's a download link for the desktop app and a direct link to the website at the top of the description, so you can follow along right away. Add a task for each sponsor deal. Use a clear naming format like brand name, campaign title, so tasks are instantly recognizable. If a deal has multiple deliverables, keep them in the same task to centralize communication and files. Add custom fields to capture key details. Include deal value for budgeting and forecasting, deliverables to define exactly what you owe, deadline to keep timelines tight, payment status to track invoicing and receipts, and contact person so you always know who to reach. Custom fields make sorting and reporting fast and reliable. Use statuses to track progress across the pipeline. Set stages such as outreach, negotiation, active, and completed. Move tasks forward as conversations evolve, and keep notes inside the task so decisions and approvals are documented. Finally, review your deals regularly. Check the active deals list for upcoming deadlines and any stalled negotiations. If you prefer a higher level snapshot, create a dashboard to monitor active partnerships, deadlines, and payment status at a glance. That's it. You now have a clean system in ClickUp to track sponsor deals and manage your creator business professionally. If this was helpful, don't forget the links at the top of the description. And thanks for watching.